welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, hello, welcome. Today's video is going to be a haul, but I can't really pin it on something. There's a couple of beauty, a couple of this, a couple of that. Like, there's quite a couple of different things in this haul, so it's just gonna be named haul unless I find like another name, but it's just a couple of random things here and there. So if you want to see everything that I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the makeup things that I have on my table right now, just because they're like right here in front of me. I went to MAC and I picked up two of their retro matte liquid lipsticks, and I got the color Caviar and the color Oh Lady. So I'm just gonna show you what the colors look like. So these are the colors. Caviar is just straight black, and then Oh Lady is like a nice deep purpley, like a plummy pinky color. That's how that looks. Really, really pretty. And then, so that's Oh Lady, and then Caviar is just straight black. So I'm really excited to wear these. I have not worn them yet. Haven't had the time. And then I went to Discam and I got another loose powder by Yardley. I don't even know if I showed you the previous one, but if I did, I got Cappuccino as the color. I have it right here actually. So this is the one I bought before, and this is pretty much the color of my skin. So I went ahead and bought the translucent buff one as well. This looks like the Ben Nye banana powder. It has that yellow tint to it, which is really, really nice for brightening everywhere where you apply your concealer. And then this is just the color of my skin, so when I want to set my entire face, then I would just go in with this. So I got these two. The lipsticks together were, how much? Lipsticks together were about 600 rand, both of them. And then these two run for about 130 something each, 134, 135. All the prices will be on the screen anyway, but it runs around there, 130, 129 maybe. This is the bag of stuff, just random clothes and other stuff, all of them in there. I'm just gonna reach in and pull out whatever. So we were at the mall and we went past Mr. Price Home, and fun fact, I'm really obsessed with like interior design and decor and stuff like that. So since we moved here, I've been slowly but surely decorating my room, but I stopped because my room is going to be pushed. So the wall right here where the window is going to be pushed that way, so my room's going to get bigger basically, and when that happens, everything's going to change. So I stopped buying things. Well, I didn't really stop buying things, but I stopped for a while to buy things. But things for the wall I've been buying forever, but I stopped because when they push it, I get to design that extended part, and most of the wall that side should be window. If everything works out nicely, I'm gonna have a lot of window light in my room, so I don't know where everything's gonna go. So I just kind of stopped decorating because I knew it would be changed anyway. So we went past Mr. Price and I saw their window, and in the window they had this cute like blush baby pink display, and you've probably seen my room. I have a little painting over there that says enjoy the little things, and it's kind of like pinky purple rose goldy type stuff. So my room has basically got little accents of pink here and there. So I saw the display and I went crazy, and obviously I went inside and I purchased the things. So firstly we have this fluffy dusty rose pillow. This is called the Plain Rabbit Fur Pink, and this is in a blush pink color. How pretty, you guys. It's such an undertoned pink, and this fur is crazy soft, like crazy soft. I'm in love with it. Okay, so that pillow cost $169.99, and I got 2 of them because naturally the bed has 2 sets of pillows, and so I thought, okay, I can't buy one of them, so I got 2 so they will sit right in front of the 2 pillows that are naturally on the bed. And then to accent that, so the whole setup, I got this rose gold pillow. It's just rose gold on one side, the other side is just a plain like khaki color. Khaki sounds wrong. Paint like beigey yellowy color, and the front is like a foiled rose gold. So this is how it will sit essentially. I can't really show you, but it'll be the fur one, and then the 2 fur ones in the back, and then this one will sit in the middle of them. So I really like how that looked. I did play around on their display at the store before I bought them, so I knew that they would look great. And my bedding is for the most part white because I really like white bedding. So all these little accent, I love buying little accent pieces that I can change my room color whenever I want, because the main colors are white. So okay, so this foiled one is called the Velvet Foil Rose Gold pillow, and this one costs 100 rand. Okay, so now there's like random things in here. First thing that I'm taking out is this nose clip. I got this for swimming, basically. It's just something to block your nose while you're swimming. That was $79.99. Then the next thing I got is this brush cleaning mat. So this is called the Cosmetics brush cleaning mat. That's exactly what it's called, and it's from Basics Beauty. This is the brand at Click. No, I'm lying. This is the brand at Discount, and it has all the colorful makeup products. So it looks exactly like the Sigma cleaning mat thing, and it's got the little things on the side, on the back. So you just stick this in your basin and clean away. So that's really cool. It's really nice and small, so you don't have to worry about it fitting anywhere. Yeah, I like that. It's really cool. And then we went to Builders. Because we had to buy a couple of things. And another fun fact is I'm really into like arts and crafts stuff. So I purchased a couple of stencils because I'm planning on doing a couple of those like framed word pictures. I don't know if you've seen them. I'm obsessed with Pinterest. You should check my Pinterest page out. You'll see all the little things that I'm talking about, but I'll insert a photo if I remember. So I got some stencils for that. These, I got a couple more. Okay, here we go. So these 2 long ones cost 110 rand each, and then these 2 short ones cost 55 rand each. So I got this one. I literally got the same of both. So I got a small size and a big size, and then the same. It's just different fonts. So this font, I got a small one and a big one, and then this font, exactly the same thing. So small and big. Okay, let's hold it up right. So there we go. So I really can't wait to use this. I can't wait to decorate my room, buy some frames. You can really play around with things if you're crafty and stuff, but you could always just print out a picture, like a printable of the words that you want, and then stick it in a frame and put it on your wall. So you really don't have to go the extra mile and do it yourself, but I enjoy that, so that's why I got those. Okay, so then we went to Cotton On. That was our last stop, I think. And at Cotton On, you know, I can't really go into that shop without getting anything because it's an outlet and everything's on sale, and you see something and you're like, oh my gosh, it's so inexpensive, and you go and you want to get it. So that's what happened. I got this cute black crop top. It's the same as the gray one that I have, I think, but it's black. I wanted a black one because black goes with everything, and I'm really trying to branch into black, so I'm really getting almost everything that I buy in a black because it just looks so good on everyone. but it only needs to look good on me because Michael, it's okay. So I got this in a black. It's just a crop top with the turtleneck, yes, that's what it's called, and it's from that Archie & Co brand, the same one as all the other like jumpers, sweater thingies that I got before. This was $150, and it's really nice and chunky and like baggy. You'll see it in the trunk portion, but it's black, so you probably won't see it properly, but it's really cute. So I got that. And then I got some chonies from Cotton On as well. They had a sale going on. Well, I say that like they never have a sale, but they have a section where you buy 3 chonies for $100. So I got 3 chonies for $100. I'll show you how they look. So this is the first pair. It's this really soft material, just your basic black undies. Super soft. It says super soft on it. Original price is $50 for all of these, but really cute as well. So this is a size, they're all in a size extra large. That's as big as they go, but that's how that one looks. And then my favorite one, of course, is a super bright hot pink, and it's made out of all lace. It's just great, right? So cute. It's actually adorable. Too cute. So yeah, I got those. And then the last thing that I got, these were sitting there, the only ones, these were the only ones sitting on the table when I got to the store. And initially I wasn't gonna get them, but then I went to the fitting room and I'm like, I should have tried them on. And so I went out, and luckily they were still there, and they were in my size. The only ones on the table like this, and they were in my size, and I couldn't leave them behind. They're like this hot pink. Let me show them to you against the ones that I bought before. Okay, so these are the ones that I got before. I wore these today, but they're this cute little dusty pinky color. These shoes, the only shoe in this color left in this style on the table, and it's my size. I feel like it was waiting for me to come get it. So the tag says bright rose, but look at these. Look how hot they look. Imagine these with like a all black outfit, or like a black outfit. Oh my gosh, I can see it all in my head right now. Love these, super comfortable. I am ready to get them in every single color. These were 300 Rand as well. So literally the price to buy one of these shoes from one pair at a normal Cotton On, I got both of these for that price. So it's just great. I had to get them. 300 Rand, normal price 600 Rand. It would have been like foolish for me not to get them. So that's it. Okay, I think I'm done. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get my videos sent to your subscription feed. And you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I upload almost daily on each and every one of them. I'm trying my real hardest to upload daily, but you know, sometimes life gets in the way. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to click on the little bell if you're not getting my notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!